Here's the truth nobody tells you. Saying no can be the most powerful yes of your life. Want to know why? This little secret can completely transform your life. Just say no, as the kids used to say. Think about it. When was the last time you actually said no to something that you really didn't want to do? We're always so concerned with other people and other people's feelings, and we should be, but prioritize yourself sometimes too. And I understand what you might be thinking. What if they get upset? But also, what if they don't? And what if saying no opens up space for what you truly need? So embrace the power of saying no. As I alluded to, it's not just about rejecting others, it's about saying yes to yourself. Do you remember the last time you truly prioritized your own plans? It's okay to pause sometimes and say, this time, it's gonna be about me. Look, when I was like 30, it took me a long time, but I learned that saying no could truly pave the way for so many yeses that really mattered to you, or to me, but to you in this instance, to personal growth and anything that you're trying to accomplish. All of my saying no, all of my saying yes truly impacted me growing the way I wanted to grow and doing the things that I truly wanted to do for myself. Saying no a few crucial times, really taught me to choose the right opportunities to say yes to my personal growth and myself and my own goals. Saying no does not define you, but refusing to say no just may. So the next time you're faced with a choice like this, ask yourself, what does saying yes to this mean for me? It's time to be bold. And I release this during the holiday season because there are so many things to do. It becomes chaotic. And if we have trouble saying no to some of these things, I'm not saying say no to everything, because it's great to get together and gather with family and friends, but saying yes to everything can be overwhelming and stressful, especially during the season, but at any time of year. It's time to be bold and just say no and say yes to yourself. Seriously, sometimes I think the most powerful word in the English language is no, and it's scary to use. But now you see, every no you say can create space for the yes that truly matters to you. So, what will you say yes to today?